Hello YouTube, this is my third attempt. It's showing how I quench lock picks, which is the first time I've ever quenched lock picks, so bear with me. 1 brick forge, standard veggie oil right here, heated up to 120 degrees because vegetable oil is too viscous to use cold. I warped this little pick right here really good. I had to straighten it out. Still not perfect. It hit the inside edge of the forge and bent. It's so thin. I'm going to take it over the anvil, tap it out a little more. Alright, so 3 of these are for me, 3 for another YouTube person, subscriber, and I'll keep this one if it stays warped. I just have to be really careful when I put it in here. I switched forges too. The other one was too long, so I had to go too far in to get to the heat. Really messed me up. See, that one worked again. Into the oil. It worked really bad. This one might not, I don't know if you can see it, but it might not be a go. Just keep trying. I don't know how this steel reacts, so just gotta keep trying. If this doesn't work, I'll just grind them out of the hardened steel. I won't soften them or nothing. Do it that way. I do not like doing it that way. That one's better. Well, here's the last one. See if I can do this one more professionally here. Back, get out of the front. Okay. Non-magnetic. Heat it for a few more seconds. All the way in, all the way out. Into the oil. And there you have it. I may not be able to fix those few that warped, but I will work on them and see what I can do. Thanks for watching, guys, and this is how difficult it is to heat treat such thin steel. I may have to find a better way to do it. Or just like I said, grind the already hardened stock. Try not to overheat it during the grinding process, which is really hard for me because I like to get in a hurry. Anyway, go ahead and please like this video. Thanks for watching again, and be good to one another.